Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I achieve my go-to everyday natural glam eyes. I have already done, well, as you can see, I've already finished the look. That's because I filmed it and then filmed this introduction. But when I get into the look, I will have already done my foundation and my base and everything. It's just the eyes I'm showing you today. I really hope you enjoy watching it because I've really enjoyed creating it, and I'll see you after I've finished the eyes. Bye! Okay, so first you want to take a shade that's quite close to your skin tone. For me, that is Beaches and Cream by Makeup Geek. That's this one here. And you want to take that on a large fluffy brush. Today I'm using the Sigma E40, and you want to take that, just load it up and pop it all over your eye area. Take a shade that's a little bit warmer than that, and for me I'm going in with Peach Smoothie, also by Makeup Geek, just on that same brush. Just popping a bit on my brush, and I'm popping that in the transition area, so that's from between the crease and the brow bone, but you don't want to take it all the way up to the brow bone. More definition to that crease, I'm going to add in a shade that's a little bit darker. I'm taking quite a neutral toned brown. This is Kid by MAC. Just on the same brush again. Really don't need to dirty another brush for this bit. And we're going to keep that quite close to the crease, much closer than the last shade. I'm focusing it a little bit more just out the way, rather than bringing so much of it into the center, into the inner portion of my eye. My last clip, and I realised that I did a really terrible job of keeping my eyes in frame, showing anything in frame. So I'm just gonna basically just tell you what I did, and might show a small clip, maybe I managed to get something. But essentially all I did was I took this outer V brush by Makeup Geek, and I took Barcelona Beech, also by Makeup Geek, and I just darkened my outer V with it. So all I did was I just took it on that brush, I patted it onto my V, and then just blended a little bit, and I kept doing that until it was the depth and intensity that I wanted. Next I'm just going to add some colour to my lids. I'm taking quite a neutral but shimmery colour. This is All That Glitters by MAC. I absolutely love this shadow, I've been using it for years. I'm taking that on the Sigma, oh my goodness, it's worn off. The Sigma E55, but any kind of dense shader brush will do. You want something that's quite dense so it's going to pack the colour on nicely. And I just load the brush up with that. And then I'm going to pat that all over my lid. I'm trying not to cover up that crease work too much, that outer V work too much. Shadow work for the eyes before I move on to liner and mascara. I'm just going to take that same brush, I'm going to make sure I wipe it off really well, just a bit of kitchen towel is absolutely fine. And then I'm going to take a highlight shade. This is Shimma by Makeup Geek, just on that same brush, and I'm going to apply that to the highlight areas. So I'm going to add that to the, what's that bit called? I'm going to add that to the brow bone. I'm just going to add that up here, I'm just going to pat that on. So, make sure you just give it a little bit of a blend so it's not so like, bam, here's a highlight. I'm also going to add that to the inner corners of my eyes just to open them up and make them look a bit more awake. Going to add a little bit of liner. I'm going to take this Crazy Sexy Kohl limited edition twist up eyeliner by Soap and Glory. This is just a plain black. It twists up. Oh, I love a liner that twists up. Gets me all excited. I'm just going to take that and I'm going to line the upper rim of my eye and the lower rim of my eye. And add 2 coats of your favourite mascara to your upper and lower lashes. I'm not going to do that on camera because nobody wants to see the gross faces I pull when I do that, and nobody wants to see anybody else curl their eyelashes. It's a bit gross, so I'm just going to go magic that up. So that's this look completed. I'll list everything I used for my face and my eyes in the description box below, along with my Instagram link. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I really hope you stick around and see if I put up any more. I've so enjoyed filming it. This is actually my second attempt at filming it. The last one did not go well. I think this one's gone better. Fingers crossed I'll be able to upload it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around soon. Bye!